Hello everyone. In the previous research methodology session, I explaining about collection of data. In this section, I am going to explaining about the sampling. In the social science research, require collection of first-hand information or data pertaining to the units of the study from the field. The unit of the study may include geographical area like district, taluk, cities, villages, which area covered by the study, or institutions or household about which information is required, or person from whom information is required, or person from whom information is available. The aggregate of all the units pertaining to the study is called as the population or universe. Population is the target group to be studied. It is the aggregate element about which we wish to make inference. A member of the population is an element. It is the subject on which measurement is taken. It is the unit of study. A part of the population is known as sample. The process of drawing a sample from a large population is called as sampling. The list of sampling unit from which a sample is taken is called as sampling frame. Example, map, telephone directory. In simple, in social science research, study about the entire population is not possible. For that purpose, the researcher adopt the sampling method. Sample means a part of the population. Sampling means the technique of drawing a sample from the population. Uh, the following are the important factors affecting the sampling methods. The first one is the size of the population. If the population to be studied is relatively small, say 50 or 200 employees or 150 household, the investigator may decide to study the entire population. At the time, the researcher adopts the census method because the task is very easy and manageable. At the time, the sampling is not required. But if the population is to be studied is quite large, sampling is warranted. However, the size is a relative matter. Where a population is a large or small depends upon the nature of the study. And next one is amount of fund available. The decision regarding the census or sampling depends upon the budget of the study. Sampling is opted when the amount of money or the budget is very smaller than the anticipated cost of the census survey. And next one is called as facilities. The extent facilities available like staff, access to the computer facilities, accessibilities to population element is the another factor to be considered in deciding the sample or not. When the availability of these factors are extensive, census survey may be manageable. Otherwise, sampling method is preferable. Time. The time limit within which the study should be completed is another important factor for the research sampling method. If fact a primary reason for using the sample by academic by marketing the researchers. The important characteristics of the good sample is representativeness. A sample must be representative of the population. Probability sampling technique yield representative sample. At measurement times, the sample must be valid. The validity of the sample depends upon the accuracy and precision. Accuracy. The another characteristic is accuracy. It means a degree where bias is absent from the sample. An accurate sample is one which exactly represents the population. It is free from any influence that cause any difference between the sample value and the population. And next important characteristic is precision. The sample must yield precise estimate. Precision is measured by the standard error or standard deviation of the sample estimate. Size. A good sample must adequate in size in order to reliable. The sample should be such a size that the inference drawn from the sample and are accurate to given level of confidence. Thank you.